An orchestrator finishes. 10 agents. The console prints done. You open the report. 2 sections are identical. 3 domains from the original goal, nowhere in the output. The subagents did exactly what they were told. The coordinator never decided what to tell them. Welcome to AI Techbook. This is the Atlas exam prep series for the Claude Certified Architect exam, Domain 1, Agentic Architecture and Orchestration. 27% of the exam. Today's question: your subagents are duplicating work and overspawning. What is the orchestration fix? And where does the fix actually live? 2 teams. Same multi-agent architecture. Same subagent prompts. Team A's orchestrator returns a 40-page report. Half the content is a different agent's perspective on the same 5 companies. Same sources. Same analysis. Duplicated. Team B's orchestrator keeps spawning. The original task needed 4 agents. It's running at 12. Now 16. The goal was covered at 4. Nobody told the coordinator when to stop. Different symptoms. 1 root cause. Both coordinators skipped the same set of design decisions. There are 4 of them. All of them happened before the first subagent fires. None of them touched the subagent prompt. From what exam takers report about the CCA-F Domain 1 questions, the wrong answer is always improve the subagent. The correct answer is always a coordinator level fix. Duplicate work or overspawning? The coordinator is where you look. Duplicate work has 1 cause. 2 subagents were given overlapping objectives. That sounds obvious. It rarely looks obvious in the task list before the run. Here is the invariant that prevents it. Meets mutually exclusive and collectively exhaustive, or Mece. 2 properties that must hold simultaneously. Mutually exclusive, no 2 tasks share a domain boundary. If task 1 covers competitive landscape and task 2 covers market alternatives, they can't both list the same 5 competitors in their returns without overlap. Either the boundary is drawn or it isn't. Collectively exhaustive. The union of all task domains covers the full goal. Every domain in the original question has exactly 1 subagent assigned to it. No domain is unassigned. Here is the diagnostic. Before you spawn, lay the task list out as a domain map. Mark what each task covers. Any domain that appears in 2 tasks is the origin of the duplicate output. Each subagent gets 1 objective with 1 explicit scope exclusion. Cover this. Exclude that. The exclusion is the partition. Without it, the boundary is ambiguous and subagents will cross it. MEP violations produce duplicate work by construction. Mece compliance prevents it by construction. The fix is never the subagent, it's the task list. Overspawning has 2 nested causes. Both live in the coordinator. The first, no complexity assessment. The coordinator should have asked, is this a 1-agent query, a 2 to 4 agent query, or a 10+ agent query before spawning anything? A simple fact-finding task is 1 agent with 3 to 10 tool calls. Launching 12 agents at it costs 12 times the tokens and returns 12 versions of the same answer. The second, no goal-anchored stop condition. The coordinator stops when it's done, but it never defined what done means. So it runs until an iteration budget runs out, or until a token limit fires, or until someone asks it to stop. The correct stop condition is not iteration-based. It is goal-based. Stop when every domain in the original goal has a subagent return with cited sources. Not before. Not after. A coordinator with a goal-anchored stop condition self-calibrates. 1-agent tasks resolve fast. 10+ agent tasks run until coverage is complete and stop exactly then. Without that stop condition, the coordinator cannot tell the difference between covered and not covered. It just keeps going. Wave 1 returns. The coordinator reads the summaries. 2 domains look thin, so it spawns wave 2. 6 more agents covering the full goal again. Wave 2 returns. Same content as wave 1, mostly. The thin domains were actually covered. The coordinator misread the first set of summaries. A large fraction of the run's token budget spent on a misdiagnosis. The fix is 1 coordinator call before any new spawning. The checkpoint before more gate. The coordinator asks, given my original goal and these returns, can I answer the question I was asked? Yes. Proceed to synthesis. Do not spawn more. No. Identify the specific missing domain. Spawn 1 targeted agent for that domain only. Not a new full wave. not a repeat of wave 1. One agent for one gap. This gate costs a fraction of what a single subagent call costs. It replaces 6 agent waves that return redundant coverage. The checkpoint fires after every wave before any new spawning. It is not part of synthesis. It comes before synthesis. Verify first. Build on clean returns. 8 subagents return, 2,000 tokens each. 16,000 tokens of domain research. The coordinator appends all 8 reports and hands them to the user. The user reads for 40 minutes. They still cannot answer their original question. They have to synthesize it themselves. That's aggregation, not synthesis. The two are structurally different. Aggregation appends. Synthesis distills. A coordinator that appends subagent returns has made 0 information gain over asking one agent 8 times. The multi-agent premium, faster, broader, deeper, is earned only in the synthesis call. The synthesis call looks like this. One call, one answer, fully cited, immediately usable. Before that call, the verification gate fires. All domains covered. Check. No domain duplicated. Check. All return formats correct. Check. Then synthesis. Clean inputs produce clean output. Based on what exam takers report about CCA-F domain 1, you get a broken orchestration run, a coordinator spec, and a final report. You're asked to diagnose it. Duplicate content in 2 returns, overlap failure. 2 tasks shared a domain boundary. Fix. Redraw the task boundaries. Add the scope exclusion. The subagents are not touched. Missing domain in the output, gap failure. The original goal named a domain that no task covered. Fix. Add that domain to the task list. Again, the subagents are not touched. 12 agents for a 2-agent query over spawn failure. Coordinator skipped complexity assessment and had no goal anchored stop condition. Fix. Add the complexity check and the stop criteria. Wrong answer, that looks complete, verification failure. Coordinator synthesized over incomplete returns without a verification gate. Fix. Add the gate before synthesis. 4 failure classes. 4 one-change fixes. All at the coordinator level. The subagents are fine. If you found this useful, subscribe to AI Tech Book. New exam prep episodes every week. The 4 coordinator decisions, Mece objectives, goal-anchored stop criteria, checkpoint before more, and synthesize at lead are the diagnostic toolkit for every multi-agent orchestration failure you'll see on the exam and in production. Next, session state across an agentic run. How does a long-running agent remember what it already did?